to walk first here while I'm waiting to Joel because it's a little bit late, I think. So here's the cabin plane. I'm at the Westma Jorong, Singapore. I really love this style, but nobody here. I think it's still closed. It's 20% discount. I was looking for this size for so many years. My Seiko 5 is so small. This one is really accurate for a woman, for a lady. So I really love this. I don't know how much. I need to ask the price. So, first Jovelyn Manabat, one of the YouTuber also. He's a Filipino here in Singapore, working here for how long, Jovelyn?
3 years.
He's been here for 3 years now. He's working very near to me only, not so far away. So we decided to meet for the shout out both of us and back-to-back YouTube video. You see? Hello. Hello. So, and how to say, we're here at the Japanese restaurant. You can see the only two here, nobody here. Because it's still early in the morning. No, it's not early. It's only 12 p.m. or 12 something. So, but still, Singaporean, when it comes to Sunday, it's really, they wake up so late. They stay in bed. So later on. And how? Please subscribe his channel. His Jovelyn Manabat on YouTube. I will give the link. I try because I'm using phone and somebody teach me already how to put the link, but still I cannot get it. So busy with my work. And I speak English. Jovelyn is speak Tagalog in his video in his channel because most of his subscribers is a Filipino and mine mostly, you know, who are mostly foreigners.
Multinational.
So, hello everyone. I know some of the Filipino YouTuber. They know this guy. He's a good one also. He's Nicey, what's that? The famous
Nice time.
Nice time style vlogger here in Singapore. I have two person who's vlogging here in Singapore. One is a Singaporean and he's the one, the second one. So I'm going to enjoy our food when coming. So later again. Bye bye everyone. See you again. Here, Jovelyn has the order of ramen and mine is I forgot. It's like I don't know. I'm not familiar with the Japanese, but I have the salmon.
Salmon and some
And he's the one.
salmon also.
I'm a small eater. I cannot finish even one bowl of this. I really don't know. Join us. We have a lunch. Bye bye. So I'm here again at the Chinese Garden, Singapore, with Jovelyn again, and today I'm going to show you my mayo prawn. It's a spicy mayo prawn dish. It's another easy cooking, another easy menu. I'm walking here with Jovelyn, so I hope you enjoy watching my video again. And vlog bonus because my companion is another YouTuber and he's a Filipino. As you can see, he's here. His first time here in Chinese Garden, so I'll be with you. So thank you so much. Hope you continue subscribing my channel and continue watching my cooking video. Thank you all for supporting. Thanks. Bye bye. See you again my next video, and please enjoy watching and hope I can pass my small knowledge about cooking. So enjoy. Jovelyn, say bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Check his channel, Jovelyn Manabat, a Pinoy vlogger here in Singapore. Bye! One of the view here in natawa ako. Pa-address ko pa. Eto po yung this is the they call it back to back. Back to back vlogging. One of the view. You can see. That's the square reel. So cute. Talaga naman. Ano nangyari? So, Joe, you have to say goodbye.
Hi, bye. Maraming salamat po. At maraming salamat ulit kay Ate Rona.
Translate that in English.
Okay. English version. Thank you very much to Ate Rona for having me meet her on this little time of the day. We had fun together vlogging around, meeting other people, other Filipino people and other people. Other ako ng other. Ikat mo yan ah!
Other! Walang kasing joke.
Umahirap ba ikat? Umahirap ba ikat yan? Cut mo yan.
He's telling me to cut because he...
I love because I'm talking gibberish.
So, please subscribe his channel, Traveling Manabat. He's a Filipino YouTuber. He's my friend. First meetup, but we have really a good time. We're having our lunch together in a Japanese restaurant. We go to the park to make a back-to-back vlogging. So, please subscribe. Please follow him also. He's one of the good person that I meet in Singapore. So, guys, if you subscribe me, follow me, can you please subscribe, my friend?
Thank you.
Thank you so much. We really look like so tired because the weather here in Singapore is really hot.
The sun took our energy actually.
Yeah.
That's why
I think I eat twice of ice cream and
I eat ice cream and a lot of liquids.
if not, we will going to be hydrated. So we need a lot. So this is for now. See you in my next video again and my cooking video. So watch it and just relax and
Thank you.
watch it. Thank you everyone.
Thank you,
Happy
David.
Sunday.
Happy Sunday.
Bye.